Imagine losing everything: your job, your income, even your sense of self-worth. This actually did happen to a man in the book The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale. He told Peale, "I'm all through. I have nothing left at all." He was actually just convinced that his life was over. But by the end of their conversation, he actually found out something quite shocking, that he wasn't as defeated as he thought. And this is the same for you. If you want to learn the real power of positive thinking, then the book is top of the description. Have you ever felt like you're just not good enough, or that your confidence is just slipping away no matter how hard you try, or that you've just never had confidence in the first place? In this video, I'll share 10 steps that helped this man rebuild his confidence, and how you can apply them to your life. This is a proven process that thousands of people have used to unlock their full potential. Stay tuned until the end for a daily habit that guarantees you'll start seeing a shift in your confidence right away. The confidence problem. Life's difficulties, the constant pressure, failures, and setbacks can make you feel drained and defeated. In these moments, your confidence is often clouded by these negative emotions and distorted thinking. For example, the man in Peale's story that I mentioned at the start of the video. He thought he'd lost everything, but when he reevaluated his life and looked at everything he had, like family, good health, faith, he realised he wasn't as defeated as he thought. So just this small mental shift was the first step that helped him rebuild his life, and it can do the same for you. The first step to building confidence is realising that you're not as powerless as you feel, and instead of thinking about the things you don't have, think about the things you do have. Let me walk you through the process. The mindset shift. Attitudes, facts. Dr. Carl Menninger once said, "Attitudes are more important than facts." Now, what does this mean for you? The way you perceive your challenges is more important than the challenges themselves. With the right mindset, even the toughest situations can be overcome. Once you understand that, the next step is to shift your focus onto what you control, your thoughts and actions. Here's how you can start today. The 10 steps to build confidence. Quick note, some of these are Christian and religious, but you can just change these to meet your preferences. Step 1. Visualise your success. Your mind works to complete what it pictures. If you picture failure, you'll struggle to succeed. But if you picture success, your mind will help make it reality. Spend just 2 minutes every morning visualising yourself succeeding. See it, feel it, and believe it. Step 2, and the most important one really, cancel negative thoughts with positive ones. Negative thoughts will always creep in. The key is to replace them with positive affirmations. Whenever you hear, "I can't do this," immediately say, "I've got this." It works. Step 3, minimise obstacles. Fear magnifies problems. Instead of inflating obstacles, break them down into small, manageable steps. Write down your biggest challenge and then break it down into 3 small steps you can do today. Step 4, be authentically you. Stop comparing yourself to others. Most people, no matter how confident they seem, have their own insecurities. Nobody can be you as effectively as you can. Step 5, repeat affirmations. Affirmations are powerful, and here comes the Christian kind of step that's in this. Read this phrase 10 times a day. If God be for us, who can be against us? Step 6, seek guidance to understand yourself. Sometimes low confidence comes from past experiences. Talking to a counsellor or mentor can help you break through those barriers. Step 7, use a powerful affirmation. And again, a Christian one coming. Repeat, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." In the book it says it's one of the most powerful antidotes to feelings of inferiority. Step 8, estimate your ability, then add 10%. Acknowledge your strengths, then raise your belief in them by 10%. Confidence is built when you believe you can do just a little more than you think you're capable of. This is where being delusional can actually help you a bit in life. Step 9, and again a bit religious, trust in God's guidance. Affirm, "I am in God's hands." And just for the people that aren't religious, the way you can flip this is saying everything's happening for me, or believe in your higher self, or the divine matrix, higher intelligence. Because we all know that there's something energetically, or a higher self, a higher being, a God. We know that's true, it's just what you then believe in. By trusting in this, you will feel a steady flow of strength and confidence. Step 10. Believe you are unstoppable. And this links into the last one. Confidence comes when you believe you are guided and supported. Affirm, God is with me and nothing can defeat me. Now that you know the 10 steps, let's dive into how you can make them part of your daily routine to build lasting confidence. Making confidence a daily practice. Confidence isn't a one-time fix. It's a habit you build day by day. Start each day with visualizations and affirmations. Practice self-reflection and, most importantly, take small, courageous actions, even when fear tries to hold you back. Be bold and mighty forces will come to your aid. Basil King. With consistent practice, confidence becomes second nature. But here's the one thing you can do today that will start the shift right now. The secret to building unstoppable confidence. Building confidence requires consistency, faith, and action. Remember, your mind will work for you when you visualize success, cancel out negativity, and take action despite fear. Confidence isn't about never feeling doubt. It's about moving forward with faith and knowing you are capable of overcoming anything. Which steps will you start today? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos that will help you unlock your full potential. If you want to buy the book, then the link is top of the description. If you learnt something new, then please like and subscribe to keep learning. If you know anyone that is interested in this kind of content, then please share this to them because it really helps me out. If the next video on this book is out, then the playlist will be on screen now. Stay positive even when it seems everything is against you.